In the last episode we flew from Rough Island, Rockcliffe, along Horse's Isle, along the coast, right to here. And in this episode we're going to pick up here from where we left off, heading north along the coast. So welcome to episode 5 of this series, the entire coastline of Scotland from a drone's eye view. To get to this location I'm having to walk down this private road here, so it's not as if it's going to tax me or hurt my health. It's a cold one today and it's quite windy, but this is the day, the kind of day I was hoping for, because what I'm going to be filming as part of today's episode, or as part of this week's episode, is a feature called the Devil's Bridge. It's a natural rock structure that looks like a wee bridge, and although I flew over it in episode 4 and you get to see it from a distance, I thought I'd come down here to get a closer look, just to see what it's like close up. And I've picked a time when the tide is going to be quite high, so hopefully we'll get some waves crashing up onto the Devil's Bridge.
The Solway lies still like it's holding its breath, soft as a whisper at dawn. Barefoot I wander, we sand in my feet, and the peace of the tide rolling on. Sky like a blessing, a white summer blue, may sound but a curlew's we cry. Who'd ever think that this quiet kind coast could change in the blink of an eye? Oh, Solway sweet, Solway gentle and fair, ye cradle
and slippy. Right, so the flying's done. Let's just take a wee walk up here and see if we can get a visual look at the bridge. As it's just round this bend here. And there it is right there. Woo. The rain's starting to come down now, and it won't be long until the lenses of the camera are covered in water. Probably are already. So before it starts coming down in buckets, I think I'll try and head back. And the boulders here are covered in moss or algae, making it quite slippy. However, made it in one piece. There's a wee cave up there as well. Might as well go and have a wee look into the start of this cave.
Along the quiet curve of Rascarrel Bay, where the tide creeps in with a break all day, there stands a bridge carved by sea and stain, nay myth of its own, yet it whispers like wine, and the gulls cry high as the waters sigh, like they can an old tale drifting by. Oh, the devil once bargained for a soul at a bridge far from here in the Welsh Green Ridge. He carved his span with a single stroke for the first living creature the pact invoked. But a clever old wife had a wiser mind, and she fooled the Dio Duggo her kind. but I swear if you stand there, the story comes near. In the hiss of the foam and the pull of the tide, you can hear the deal mutter at be and denied. Oh, the bridges we walk and the choices we make and the bargains we're offered, the sea can't take. So I'll sing this tale where the Solway meets sky, of a devil outsmarted and a dog running by, and the waves roll on as they always may, past the devil's bridge o'er Rascarrel Bay.
Well, I think that'll do me for one day. So we saw the Devil's Bridge. Not a massive feature, just a wee thing, but interesting nevertheless. So next episode we'll be continuing further along this coastline. So thanks for watching this one. Give it a wee thumbs up if you're enjoying the series. Leave a comment letting me know what you think about the series so far. And you can tune in next week to the next episode. Cheerio then.